How to forward my.nscc.edu emails in 3 steps. 1. Get into my.nscc.edu email. 2. Configure forwarding settings. 3. Test it by telling us about it. Steps to get into my.nscc.edu email. 1. Go to www.nscc.edu. 2. Go to the login link. 3. Go to the myNSCC heading. 4. Click the Go to myNSCC link and log in to myNSCC using a number and password, like for NS Online D2L course shell. 5. Find your my.nscc.edu email address. 6. Go to the Login to your Office 365 email account link. 7. Enter your my.nscc.edu email address. 8. Choose whether you want to have a code sent to your phone. 9. Wait for Outlook to configure itself. Go to www.nscc.edu. Move Forward at Nashville State is displayed in the center of the page. When there is an important notice, it will be displayed underneath the links and announced first in a screen reader. It may be clickable. Nashville State Community College website has navigation links to admissions, academics, financial aid and tuition, and current students information. You will also find login, faculty and staff, campuses, library, directory, events, and apply links. The background features a slideshow of Nashville State classes, students, faculty, and staff. Click on the login link. Go to Login. The login page has the same header as the main page for the Nashville State website. When you scroll down, there are headings for different logins. There are navigation links on the right, a blue box with a set/change your password heading with a link for any login on this page is first. Scroll down to the myNSCC heading. Go to the myNSCC heading, myNSCC, register for classes, make payments, view your schedule and grades. Go to myNSCC link. Select the Go to myNSCC link. Log in to myNSCC. Use your A number and password just like what you use for NS Online D2L course shell. Click the Sign In link. Find your email address. The myNSCC webpage has navigation links on the left to Home, My Self-Service, and Advising Resources. Information is displayed in 3 columns on a computer and 1 long column on a phone. The first column, to the right of the navigation links, contains your A number, your student email address, your computer login ID, and your major. Alerts on your account will be listed here. There is a link to change your contact info. This column also has headings for links to connected services and password change. The second column contains headings for myNSCC announcements and news and events. Under the myNSCC announcements heading is a checkbox to show hidden announcements. The third column lists quick picks, links with headings for employee, faculty, student, financial aid, and general. Your email address should be displayed in the first column near the top of the page. Write it down. You will need it shortly. Go to Login to your Office 365 email account link. Scroll down to the Connected Services heading. The Login to your Office 365 email account link will be below that. Enter your email address. Outlook will open a pop-up window titled Microsoft. Sign in to continue to Outlook. There is a field to enter your email address, a link for Can't Access Your Account, and a button for Next. Use the my.nscc.edu email address you wrote down earlier. Enter your password. There will be another pop-up window after you enter your username with a field for your password. There's also a link for Forgot My Password and a button for Sign In. Use the same password as you use with your A number. Click the Sign In button. Stay signed in. This third pop-up window is titled Stay Signed In with explanatory text. Do this to reduce the number of times you are asked to sign in. There is a checkbox for Don't Show This Again. There are two buttons for No and Yes. Yes is the default button. Check Don't Show This Again. Click the Yes button or press Enter. Choose whether you want to have a code sent to your phone. Part 1. The next pop-up window has the heading of Additional Security Verification. Explanatory text is Secure your account by adding phone verification to your password. There's a link to view a video to know how to secure your account. The heading for Step 1 is How should we contact you? There are two drop-down boxes, a phone number field, and some radio buttons. There is a Next button. The first thing you need to do is choose Authentication Phone from the first drop-down box. Choose your country from the second drop-down box, and in the field, type in your phone number, all 10 digits. In the second part of Step 1, you choose the method from two radio buttons, Call Me or Send Me a Code by Text Message. Select Send Me a Code by Text Message, and then select Next. Part 2. Your phone will receive a security code in a text message. Step 3. This pop-up window will have your email address and the heading, Enter Code. There is explanatory text. Please type in the code displayed on your authentication app from your device, followed by a field to enter the code you received on your phone. Following the field is the question, Having trouble? With a link to sign in another way. There is a Verify button. Type the verification code you received on your phone in the space provided. Click the Verify button. Wait for Outlook to configure. The main Outlook screen will have a navigation bar on the left, a list of emails in the middle, and a preview pane on the right. There are navigation icons and links across the top of the page. Steps to configure forwarding. 1. Open Settings. 2. Go to Show All Outlook Settings. 3. Choose Mail. 4. Then choose Forwarding. 5. Check the forwarding permission box, add your preferred email, and check the Save a Copy box. 6. Click Save. Open Settings. In Outlook, there are several navigation links: Calendar, Settings, Help, Announcements, Notifications, and General Account Settings under your badge. Click on the gear in the upper right. When using a screen reader, look for a Settings link. Under the Settings link is a short list. The first heading is Settings. The first field is Search Outlook Settings. The next heading is Theme. There will be some themes to choose from. Following is a link to view all themes. The third item is a slider for dark mode, and the fourth a focused inbox slider. Depending on your Outlook configuration, you may have additional sliders. The last link is View All Outlook Settings. Look for the View All Outlook Settings link. View All Outlook Settings. When you choose View All Outlook Settings, there will be a pop-up window with 3 frames. In the first frame, there are main categories like General and Mail. Make sure Mail is selected in the first frame. The second or middle frame shows subcategories related to the selected main category in the first frame. If you've selected Mail in the first frame, you will see Layout, Compose and Reply, and so on in the second frame. Select Forwarding from the second or middle frame. The third frame is the detail for the subheading selected in the second frame. When layout is selected in the second or middle frame, the third frame has options related to focused inbox and message height. Open forwarding. Select Mail in the first frame and Forwarding in the second frame to get the forwarding detail in the third frame. Complete the form. Find forwarding details in the form in the third frame. Check Enable Forwarding. Under Forward My Email To, type your preferred email address in the field. Check Keep a copy of forwarded messages. Don't forget to select the Save button to make your changes permanent. Steps to test forwarding. 1. Send an email to Access Center with no spaces at nscc.edu. 2. We will send a test email to your my.nscc.edu email. 3. Tell us you received it in your preferred account by emailing us back. Questions? Contact us. Access Center, Nashville State Community College. Access Center with no spaces at nscc.edu. 615-353-3721.